The pharmaceutical industry is going through a transition phase globally. The search is on for newer collaborations that would comply with global quality and regulatory standards and partner in progress. This is where CTX Lifesciences comes in the picture. A standalone API company, CTX Lifesciences Private Limited started its operations in 2006 with a vision to be a preferred partner for the global pharmaceutical industry. Armed with a mission to develop and manufacture active pharmaceutical ingredients and intermediates for global supply. The state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Surat, Gujarat is spread across an area of over 150,000 square meters and is well connected by rail, road and air. CTX includes a formidable research and development facility that has the capability for literature survey, process selection, process development, analytical method developments, etc. Technology transfer for scale-up from lab scale to commercial scale is also provided as per requirement. There are multiple fully operational production blocks with high-volume reactors having a total capacity of almost 1,000 kiloliter reaction volume. These are armed with all the necessary downstream equipments. At any given point of time, multiple products can be manufactured in independent clean room modules. It has in-house facilities to support and cater to different particle size requirements. The multi-level warehouses have a huge storage capacity with segregated areas for storage of raw materials, intermediates and finished APIs. There is a unidirectional flow with a defined area for receipt, quarantine, sampling, storage, dispensing and distribution. The quality control lab is well equipped with various instruments. The laboratory is segregated for sample inward, chemical, instrumental and microbiological analysis, stability chambers and storage for reserve samples. CTX's APIs are also evaluated in-house for their polymorphic forms, genotoxic and elemental impurity as per current regulatory requirements. The Quality Assurance and Regulatory Affairs Department is equipped with systems for document control, training, validation, internal audits, DMF preparation and more. CTX has a dedicated surface water reservoir and water treatment plant nearby. CTX also has an in-house facility for purified water system, which uses demineralization and reverse osmosis techniques. There is an independent generation and distribution system in each block. CTX has the best environment management practices and infrastructure, which includes an effluent treatment plant, multi-effect evaporator, agitated thin film dryer and a landfill site that complies with all environmental norms. With ISO 14001:2015 and ISO 45001:2018, the Environment, Health and Safety Department is adequately in place, including an advanced fire management system, occupational health center and an ambulance facility. The highly professional management team at CTX Lifesciences has a deep understanding of the pharmaceutical business, supported with decades of experience. The R&D team at CTX is continuously developing and adding new generic APIs. Regulatory approvals have been obtained and DMFs filed in various regions across the globe. Various statutory approvals too have been obtained over the years. Working efficiently round the clock, trusted by 800 plus business partners over 87 countries, CTX Lifesciences is perfectly equipped to closely work with you, lending the right synergy for providing cost-effective solutions and be your preferred partner for the enhancement of human health globally. CTX Lifesciences, driven by chemistry, powered by people.